this video, today I am going to prove that air is required for combustion. First, what is combustion? Combustion is a complete oxidation of an organic compound into which carbon dioxide and water molecules in the presence of oxygen gas. Combustion reaction involves heat and light. To prove this activity, we need things required are a glass, a candle with a steel plate and a matchbox. Now light the candle. The candle will continue to burn due to continuously available fresh air providing the required oxygen for combustion. Let us put a glass jar on the candle. When the burning candle is covered with a glass jar, then the candle takes away the oxygen necessary for burning from the air enclosed in the glass jar. After some time, when all the oxygen of air inside the gas jar is used up, then burning candle gets extinguished. This proves that air is necessary for combustion of substances. In case 2, let us add 1 spoon of baking soda. Now let us add some vinegar. Now we can see that fire is flickering and the candle is slowly extinguishing. This happens because when we add vinegar and baking soda, it releases carbon dioxide. As carbon dioxide is the extinguisher of fire, the candle stops burning. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Manaswini and I am from class 8B. Let's take a look at the model of plant cell and understand about it. Model of plant cell with the help of a cardboard. Let's take a look at the organelles of the cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is called as the powerhouse of the cell since they are sites of respiration. Chloroplasts. These green plastids contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, and these are called the kitchen of the cell since these are sites of photosynthesis. Nucleus. Nucleus contains a nuclear membrane and it is called as the control center of the cell since it controls all the activities of the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum. It is a network of membranes throughout the cytoplasm. Do you know what is cytoplasm? Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance inside which all these cell organelles are present. The endoplasmic reticulum is divided into rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In rough endoplasmic reticulum provides with the synthesis of proteins and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the synthesis of lipids. Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies receive, pack and distribute chemical bodies throughout and as well as outside the cell. It is called as cell's mail room. The outer structure of the cell is made up of a cell wall and a cell membrane, and the cell wall and cell membrane give a shape and protect the cell organelles, and cell membrane is also called as semi-permeable membrane or selectively permeable membrane. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Nidhi of class 8B. Today I am here to demonstrate an activity to prove that sound has energy. So, materials needed are a pair of scissors, a balloon, a working phone, a transparent glass and some rice grains. So take a balloon and cut its down part. After that, take a glass and put the phone inside. After putting the phone inside and covering with the balloon, put some rice grains on the top. After that, make a call to the phone which we have kept inside. Now I have made a call to the phone. You can see that the rice grains are moving. This proves that sound has energy. Thank you.
This is Suryavalli of 8B. I have done a model of animal cell. Let us see what are the organelles of that. This is a cell membrane. A cell membrane, also called plasma membrane, is a thin porous layer that encloses all the organelles of the cell. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like structure consisting of several chemicals involved in various reactions. It contains many cell organelles such as nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulums, Golgi apparatus and rhizosomes. Nucleus. It is the largest cell organelle that is spherical or oval in shape. Nucleolus. The nucleus contains a smaller body called nucleolus. Nucleolus is visible only when the cell is not dividing. Centrioles. Centrioles are cylindrical organelles composed mainly of a protein called tubulin. They are located in the cytoplasm of an animal cell. Endoplasmic reticulums. There are two types of endoplasmic reticulums. They are smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. It is a network of membranes found throughout the cytoplasm. It is like a channel for the transport of material within as well as outside the cell membrane. Mitochondria. Mitochondrions are small rod-shaped organelles. Mitochondrions are called the powerhouse of the cells. Ribosomes. They are small round structures which are present either in a free state or attached to the endoplasmic reticulums. Lysosomes. Lysosomes are the storehouse of digestive enzymes. They digest worn-out organelles, food particles, bacteria and viruses trapped by the cells. Golgi apparatus. Golgi bodies or Golgi apparatus look like stacks of flattened sacs and tubes. Their main function is to receive, pack and distribute chemical products within and as well as outside the cell. It is also called the cell's mailroom. Thank you.
Materials needed are glass, cardboard and water. Fill the glass with water and cover its mouth tightly with the cardboard. Now invert the glass. Remove the hand holding the cardboard. You will observe that the cardboard does not fall from the glass. This is because the pressure outside the glass is more than the pressure inside the glass. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Mohammed Zamil Ahmed. Now I will be going to explain thermosetting plastics and thermoplastics. So, first, what do you mean by thermoplastics? Thermoplastics means the plastic which gets melted on heating, whereas thermosetting plastics does not get melted on heating. So, we can say that thermoplastics are weak and thermosetting plastics are strong. So, here each unit is known as a monomer. Many units combiningly is known as polymer. Each unit is known as monomer. Combining all the units is known as polymer. So here the linear pair arrangement means the thermoplastics. The first row you can see these are the linear pair of arrangement, means this is thermoplastics. So in thermoplastics we can say that we will have linear pair of arrangement. These are thermoplastics. These all monomers are thermoplastic. So examples of thermoplastics are PVC and plastic covers, that comes under thermoplastics. And then thermosetting plastics. They are cross-linked arrangement, means many links they will have. See, like how here link. They will be cross-linked. I have made it as squares. They be like a cross-link. So here all are cross-linked here. See, this is linked with this. This is linked with this. These are cross-linked. These are the thermosetting plastics.
In this we can say that they will be strong and they do not burn while we are heating them. In thermosetting plastics, examples are bakelite and melamine. So the switches will be made up of bakelite. These are the linear pair of arrangement, which is thermoplastics, linear pair of arrangement. This is cross-linked pair of arrangement, thermosetting plastics, and they are linked cross-linked. Thank you.